Here, let's look at a simple example to help us better understand this blendColors node. We can see in my scene, there's an arrow. When I move it from 0 to 1, the small ball inside the tube moves from one end to the other. And I can change the limit values on both sides, and it will still maintain that 0 to 1 result. Let's do this example together. Let's open the scene file. First, look at this arrow curve. It has a translate x attribute we can adjust. Its value range is from 0 to 1. Then we have two sides here, these two curves, one blue and one pink. They also both have translate x. One is +8 and one is -8. And there's a small ball in the tube. We need to do the final operation on this small ball. Let's open the node editor and let's add all three of these curves. And at the same time, let's add the small balls model. Then we'll create a blendColors node. And let's rename it. Here, we're just using the controller's 0 to 1 value to control its final blending effect. So let's connect its translate x to the blender. And the final output R will connect to the ball's translate x. There's no change right now. Because the blender is currently set to 0. At 0, it listens to the color 2 attribute. For example, if I change this to 3, we'll see the ball now moves forward. So we need to blend using these two translate x values. Now we need to think, when the blender is 0, where do we want the ball to be? We definitely want the ball to be on the blue side. When blender is 0, it outputs the color 2 value. So let's connect the blue side to color 2R. And connect the pink side to color 1R. This way, let's look 0 to 1, 0 to 1. And by changing these limit positions on either side, we can still make it move back and forth between them. So that's the walkthrough of this simple blendColors example. I hope it was helpful.